How to book luggage storage with Radical Storage. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Radical Storage and how you can use it. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to scroll down into the description box and click the link in the description. It will give you some coupon codes that you can apply and save money. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So all you got to do is just simply sign up, and as I said before, you can sign up by clicking the link in the description below. And over here you have your luggage storage near me. So here, just simply share your location. So let's say I'm in Germany. Go ahead and search for that and we can find some sort of location. And here we go. So this is the location right here. I'm not even going to pronounce it. I don't know why I selected Germany, but it is what it is. This is the train station. We're going to select that. This is the only one available as of right now. And here we have one locker room, and these are the storage bags. So carry-on bags, backpacks, shopping bags, these are allowed, but check-in suitcases and large backpacks, they won't work. They're open 24/7. You can see right here, and over here, locate, book, store, and enjoy. So we already have that. Now we just need to reserve this one. So we click on reserve, and now we just simply pay with one of the following. So we click on card, and we just simply pay it up, right? But if you click the link in the description below, you'll pay an even smaller amount. So make sure you check the link in the description below. So it's as simple as that. That's how you can go ahead and get started with Radical Storage. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.